UJ. What's going on, YouTube? YouTube. Let's do this UJ top-down analysis. Today was a bank holiday if you're in the US. President's Day. So normally on bank holidays, I don't expect much out of the market. But depending on what pair you trade, you can see some like a retracement by the secondary pair versus the base pair of that currency, but it just depends. But yeah, we got UJ, so we're going to start on the monthly. As you can see, if you've been following my UJ videos, UJ has definitely hit that first take profit area, but it's an H4 take profit, so we'll see when we get a little bit closer. So the month it's February, so I think we have like 8 days left in the month, 8 or 9 days. So we're gonna see how this candle closes. Hopefully it's bullish, but it's kind of still too soon to say. I got about a week left. It looks pretty good though for me, but monthly still bullish. Weekly, ultimately, much hasn't changed. Not much has changed for the weekly. The good thing to do is when we're doing these top-down analysis, I like to do the monthly and weekly over, because especially when new people come on the channel and page and they haven't really seen the last video, but the weekly is bullish because of this higher low right here. Technically, I would consider this a break. But let me see. Now, if this monthly candle comes up and closes above this monthly candle of December of last year, then I would consider that a test. It's already kind of looked like it's ready to test, but it's still considered to be broken, because at the end of the day, this can potentially be a lower high, and test this newfound resistance right here and go down, but we don't know yet. So for right now, it's broken. But this last weekly candle was pretty bullish. So, I would definitely say the volume currently is on the side of the bulls. All right, so weekly still bearish. Current volume, I would say for the weekly, is still on this. These most recent candles is bullish, but overall still bearish. Daily, definitely bullish still, and it's playing out nicely. So we have this lower high structure right here that was broken by this candle. This is a gap, but in a sense, if you didn't want to take this as a break, you could definitely take this as a break. But to me, this is a higher low generation. When a higher low is generated in a downtrend, that it should be of concern. That means that the market is trying to do something, and especially when you start to see the little wicks like this. If that isn't enough for you to consider it being an uptrend, take a look at this higher high that was broken. So this higher high, this is a higher high right here, and it's broken with these two candles right here, and it did exactly what I thought it was going to do. But right now, well, the daily is still bullish. So for directional bias, I would definitely say the bulls. Let's go down to H4. Now, the H4, it did hit, our target, our first target. The second target was up here. now it's kind of just like a waiting game to see if price will come down to test newfound support right here. This price could come down to test newfound support, then shoot back up. It kind of just depends, or it could be a continuation to continue higher. So the market can only move in three ways, right? Sideways, down, or up. So it's really just a waiting game. I go pure technicals. I use pure technicals. I'll look at the news too. I'll look at Forest Factory to kind of figure out when to stay out of the market for big news events. Hopefully, the fundamentals lined up with technicals. That's always the best thing. But as far as UJ right now, I would definitely say it's still bullish. I try not to, I trade what I see. We trade what we see, not what we think. So right now it's kind of just, I don't know what it's doing, but overall, when it comes to the volume, I would definitely say it's bullish. As far as some type of entry opportunities, it's looking a little weird right now. So you kind of just got to wait. Bank holiday, Sunday. I don't even see a gap, to be honest. I don't even see a weekend gap. Maybe it was like right here, but yeah, not too much to say. Maybe I'll do another video during the week to kind of see when we can enter for some type of entry or when to look for an entry. But as of right now, I would say it's just a waiting game. Kind of got to sit on your hands to see, will the market continue sideways? Will it come down here? I can see my mouse. Will it come down here to bounce off to come back up? Or will it continue down? But just gotta wait. But alright, that's it. I'm gonna wrap it up for you, Jay. I think I might do gold next or AU. Alright, y'all, that's it.